In this guide for teachers, we'll focus on how to create custom templates for our classes. Doing so ensures that every lesson will include crucial components. It will also save time by preventing you from rewriting procedures and routines that happen each day. As a bit of pre-work, this guide assumes that you've already set up an account and created your first plan book. If you haven't done that and need some help, check out our CC for Teachers video on planbook setup. To get started, navigate to your planbook and click Settings, and then choose Change Templates. There are two ways that we can customize a template. First, we can find the class for which we want to customize a template and then click Edit on the right. We can adjust any component of our template, as well as add new sections by clicking Add Card. We can add a text card, a standard search, or a Google Classroom card. Additionally, it's not uncommon for teachers to have routines and procedures that occur nearly every day. A reading teacher, for instance, might start every class with a Do Now assignment, a trade and grade activity, followed by 10 minutes of whole group reading. Any of these daily routines can be added to our custom templates so that we never have to lose time rewriting this content each day. Here's another way to customize a template. After clicking Settings and Change Templates, we'll sort templates by template name. From here, we can click Edit next to any template and then select the classes to which we would like to apply this template. Alternatively, we can create a template from scratch by choosing Create a Template. We'll give it a title, and then we'll add a couple sections based on our needs. We'll do this by clicking Add Card. And there you have it. By creating custom templates, we can ensure that every lesson includes the components that our students need. Custom templates also help teachers to create lesson routines that work for their unique planning style. As well, by filling our custom templates with daily routines and procedures, we can save time in the day-to-day, so our hard work can be devoted to what matters most.